Okay, here it is now, 4:10. This is about 3.5 hours after I last recorded. There's lots of people congregated now to check it out. It's up much higher now, and you can see it's actually about to go over. If not, in some spots it's probably already over. Very, very, very scary. I'm going to get off this bridge now. If it's that close to that bridge, it's the same to this bridge, so. And let's see where it's at on the levee. We still have a good 5 feet to go. There it is on the levee. Levee's holding up pretty good for a record flood. Alright, looks like we're doing good.